Hello guys and welcome again. In today's video, I will tell you about the clutch switch of our motorcycle Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650. This clutch switch helps you start the motorcycle in any gear by pressing the clutch. If this clutch switch is faulty or clogged or dirty, then it will not work and you won't be able to start your motorcycle in gear by pressing the clutch. So this thin electrical wire going into your clutch assembly is your clutch switch. This wire is connected, this switch is mainly connected here on your clutch assembly. Then it is going inside your headlamp. This wire is going inside your headlamp and it's plugged into the main wiring of your motorcycle. It sends the signal to the ECU or the main system of the motorcycle so that to tell the ECU that the clutch is pressed and it is safe to start the motorcycle in any gear. If this switch is faulty or clogged, then you won't be able to start the motorcycle in any gear by pressing the clutch. So let me just show you how to remove it. So these are the two tiny screws, this one and this one here. I am holding the phone in one my hand and screw in other hand, so it is a bit hard to show. You have to open these two tiny screws. Make sure you use a screwdriver with a good head so that you won't damage the screws. So you have to open these two screws to release the clutch from your clutch switch from your clutch assembly. So all you have to remove this clutch switch is to open these two tiny screws which I have shown previously. Just open these screws carefully. Make sure to use a screwdriver which has a good head, otherwise the screws would be damaged because these are very tiny screws. And one more important thing, whenever you try to lube or clean your clutch assembly, make sure you don't use any grease, because any grease or anything thicker would accumulate more dust here in this assembly and it will cause more problem than to solve anything. These are the two screws. I hope you can see these. These are the two tiny screws which I have removed from the clutch switch. I hope you can see these. Just keep this. So I have kept the screws safe somewhere. Just carefully remove this clutch switch from the clutch assembly. So this is the clutch switch. I hope you can see this. So this is the clutch switch. I have removed this from the clutch assembly. You can clearly see here is the plunger. When you press your clutch in gear, then this will actuate and it will send a signal to your ECU that your clutch is activated and it is safe to start the motorcycle in the gear. So if you are facing any issue while you are not able to start your motorcycle in gear while pressing the clutch, first thing you do is to check your clutch switch. If it is dirty, then just simply clean it. Use some WD-40 spray and clean this clutch assembly area, and take this clutch switch out and clean it. If that doesn't solve any problem, then you should check the main assembly inside the headlamp where this other end of this clutch switch is connected. I'll show you in a moment. So this is the clutch switch. This is how it looks. Let me just put it back again and I'll then show you where it is connected inside the headlamp. So I have now put the clutch switch back from the inside the clutch assembly. Now I'll show you how it is connected inside your headlamp to the main wiring. Let me just show you where it is connected inside your headlamp. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver and open your headlamp. Mine is a BS4 Interceptor, so it only has a one screw. If you have a BS6 motorcycle, then you might have two screws, one here and one here, that you have to remove, and the bracket is or the clamp is connected on the top. So just loosen this screw a little bit and just take the headlamp off. Make sure to keep a cloth inside your headlamp. I am using my hanky just so inside the headlamp. I hope you can see this. this one. Just see where the wire is going to. This white and black connector, this is your clutch switch. So if you have to replace this, just first check if any wire from here is damaged or not. This white one is coming from the clutch switch, and this one, this tiny wire, this double wire, this thin double wire is going into your main wiring of your motorcycle. See, you can clearly see these. It has a black wire and a green wire. Just press this connector and just pull it out. Just pull it out. It's a 2-pin connector. If your clutch switch is faulty, then you can remove this clutch switch from inside the headlamp and from your clutch assembly and take it out. Or sometimes refixing the things and cleaning and refixing the things would do the job for you. Just put it back like this. Put the wiring back in. Just fix your headlamp back. So this is how it is done, guys. Purpose of making this video is to show you how the clutch switch of our motorcycle work and where it is connected to the clutch assembly and to the main wiring. If you are unable to start your motorcycle in gear while pressing the clutch, then you should clean your clutch assembly and clean the clutch switch and see if that helps. Otherwise, you should check inside your main wiring where it is connected and see if something is wrong there. And if that doesn't work, just simply change this clutch switch. It has a very short wiring, not very long, and this mechanism is same on every motorcycle. This clutch switch is present on every motorcycle. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching. I hope this will help you. See you again.